it's raining, raining, raining. For the past hour, it's just raining. And sometimes we don't get that much rain at one time in this country. It rains for a little while and then it stops. But this particular day, it's raining, raining, and more raining. And we need it. It's good for the farmers. It's good for our plants, our flowers, the grass, because the grass was brown from the sun. It was dried out. It was so like dry and crunchy. So now with the rain, we don't have to worry about everything getting too dry and the crops dying and our flowers and plants dying. We have plenty of rain now. And I'm saving rainwater in barrels and buckets around here. So I can use rainwater for my tomatoes and my onions and my peppers. And back there we have cinnamon trees, blackberries, and a fig tree. And they'll be blooming around September. And over that way we have pecan trees. We have a pecan tree up that way. We have several pecan trees up that way, past those little small houses you see. Those are stores. We use these little sheds like that one for our store. We store extra stuff in there, like maybe furniture, clothes, or old appliances, or if somebody give us a bag of grains or corn, we store it there in our storehouse. That's a store. Sometimes people cook vegetables and fruit, and then they put them in these jars and they fill them up tight, and they bring them here and we keep them out there in the storeroom. A lot of vegetables and a lot of fruit, and we can them in jars and we keep them and we use them during the winter, because nothing really grows here in this country in the winter but maybe sukuma wiki, cabbages, sometimes carrots that grow when it's cold, potatoes, and there are other things that grow during the winter, callaloo, things like that. But mostly everything here in America, in this part of the woods on the East Coast, everything mostly grows during the summer months. And that's March, April, May, June, July, August, and September. By October, it's cold. See how long it's still raining? It's been almost 7 minutes. And I was already standing in the door looking at a video from John Tay for about 10 minutes. I just decided to video the rain so I can go back and look at it myself later, because it's soothing to me. And sometimes when I can't sleep, I put on a video where it's just raining and it helps me fall fast asleep. Sometimes you work so much and you're too tired to sleep. You want to sleep, but you can't. You just don't fall asleep. So if you listen to the rain, you fall asleep. Wow, I like to see the wind go through the trees. It's like the wind is just cleaning the trees. Oh, look at the bushes. How the wind just plays through the trees. Wow, look at them. It's like they're dancing. The trees are dancing. This is amazing to me. Little things like this just fascinates me. I'm an adventurer, and I'm a wanderer, and I'm a dreamer, and I love it. I've been like this all my life. I used to read books after book after book, but then my eyes started giving me problems. So I started taking a break from reading so much, and I started just looking for things and adventuring things on my own, with my own 2 eyes. And now I even leave the country. But later on this year, I'll be going to Florida just for visit. And I'm going to go to New York just to visit and do some videos. And then I'll wait till the top of the year next year. And I'll probably go down to the beach during the winter just so I can do videos. I'll drive down there. And then in May, I'll be flying back to Kenya unless I decide to go to London. But I might end up going to London for 1 week and Kenya for 1 week. Because I always take 2 weeks. So we'll see how it goes. I'm planning on going to Heathrow, but my daughter doesn't want to go right now. She wants to wait. And I wanted to go with her because she wants to see Buckingham Palace as well as I do. And she don't want me to go until she goes. And I'm like, Tisha, really? So I said, okay, I'll wait. So if I don't end up in London, you all, please don't be bad. I'm just waiting for my daughter to go with me. So, but I'll still make it there eventually, sooner or later, next year. I don't know when, but I know I'm going back to Kenya. But I probably only stay a week because I'll probably be going from London to Kenya or from Kenya to London. Oh, it's slacking up. Wow, after 10 minutes. It rained heavily there for a while. And I got a bucket full of water. Okay. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, good night, wherever you are. This is Miss Ruby, _ Exploring Life. Just doing a video of the rain in her happy place. My own compound. And I love it. I just love looking at nature. Thank you, Mother Nature, for the rain. Thank you, Mother Earth. Thank you. And thank you for allowing me to visit Mother Africa. You are so good to me. Thank you, Mother Earth. I appreciate you. And thank you, friends, family, supporters, subscribers. I really, really appreciate you guys. I really do. Okay. I'm going to end the video now. The rain has stopped. Not completely, but almost. And I'm going to go watch some more videos. Ciao, guys. Love you guys.